Good morning, everybody. We just wanted to show real quick the easiest way to blow up a mylar balloon. So this year we have included in the kit this cutie patootie little reindeer for your elf to use. It is a 3-part mylar balloon, and with differences between a traditional balloon and mylar will usually hold its shape for like weeks at a time, which is great. And you can also let the air out and then reuse it year over year. And so I'm just going to show you a quick, easy way to go ahead and blow it up, things to look for, just to make it easy. So in your packet, you're going to get your balloon, and it's going to come with your straw, just some string, and then also a pack of glue dots to be able to use. So we'll go ahead and open it up. And you'll see your balloon is going to have 3 different parts. So you've got your front and back legs along with the body of the deer. So you can see right here is where our valve is located. So this is where we are going to be blowing it up. You can kind of see here, if you go in, there's actually the outline of where the valve ends and where you need to put your straw in to get it blown up. So we're going to go ahead and take our straw, and you can see there's one side that is pointed, one side that is flat. We're going to want to go ahead and put the pointed side into the valve area. So now if we go in a little bit close, you'll see here that there's actually a clear flap right there. So you can see that guy. We're going to want to put our straw between the back portion of it and that little valve. And then we're going to want to just gently push the straw again through the part where the adhesive is in the balloon. That is the part that keeps it from deflating and keeping it open. So now you can see we have put our straw into the balloon, and we are going to blow it up. So here we go. I always like to continue blowing as I am pulling out the straw. And then you're going to clasp the portion right here where your adhesive is to seal it. So once you secure your valve right there with the adhesive, your main portion is complete. So we'll go ahead and move on to the legs. And then once again, when you lay it flat, you can see there's an outline of where your adhesive on the inside of the balloon is going to be. We're going to find our valve, and we are going to put the straw underneath the clear piece that's right there, and we're going to just gently push our straw in until we get down to the bottom. And then once again, if you just hold your valve for a second, it's going to get that adhesive, and then we're going to be ready to go. So you're going to want to go ahead and do the same thing with the other legs. So now you've got your front and back legs as well as your body all blown up. So what I like to do is have my legs both facing the same direction. So you have your tab facing towards the back, and then you're going to take your main body piece here. And again, I like to put the tab towards the back. You're going to slide the legs into the back portion. Again, I've got my tab here on the back so you don't see him on the front. Then you're going to take your front pieces and put them along the front area, again, with my tab here on the back. And now we're going to go ahead and stand up our reindeer, and you can set your scene up with your elf sitting on top using the glue dots, which is what we did. So you can put some of them right here and then just kind of balance him. Another idea is taking the string and using it as like a harness where it can go back to your elf's hands. Again, putting the glue dot on the hands and then using the string. Your elf could also be guiding the reindeer along if you don't have the flexible elf with the wire inside, so he could be sitting here holding or leaning up against. There's so many ways that you could utilize the setup with your reindeer. And then real quick, if you did want to utilize this again for years to come, again, what we'll do is go ahead and just insert our straw right into this area, and we're going to go ahead and just deflate both sides here, and we're going to take out our straw, and now he can be stored again until next year. Yay! Thank you so much, and don't hesitate to let us know if you have any other questions.